Jia Zhao, Corbis via Getty Images. Don't expect China to readily accept blame for the rocket debris expected to collide with the moon on March 4. Space News and The Verge report Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wang Wenbin denied that the debris came from the 2014 Change 5T1 moon mission. The upper stage of that rocket burned up, completely in Earth's atmosphere, Wang said. He maintained that China's aerospace efforts were always in line with international laws, and that the country was determined to protect the long-term sustainability of outer space. It's not clear China has the right rocket in mind, however. Astronomer Bill Gray, who pinned the expected collision on the Change 5T1 mission, after initially blaming SpaceX, believes Wang may have confused that with the 2020 Change 5 mission. A U.S. Space Force squadron claimed the T1 upper stage burned up in October 2015, but Gray noted that the squadron offered only one trajectory update for that rocket. The burn-up may have been assumed, not confirmed. NASA's JPL also believes the T1 booster is involved. Whoever's responsible, the predicted crash will represent an unwanted milestone in spaceflight, a moon crash from a spacecraft that wasn't meant to be there. The dispute over the debris origins also reflects the difficulty of tracking space debris. While there are more advanced sensors for spotting debris in Earth orbit, deep space monitoring simply hasn't been a priority. The impending collision might change that focus, particularly with moon missions like NASA's Artemis program on the horizon. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team, independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.